Alright, let's see, this could be who I think it is. It is who I thought it was. What's up, Katie? Yeah, I know, don't wake up the neighbors. It's like 7 a.m. You've come to surf today, haven't you? We're gonna get something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm starving.
All right, let's go to the farm. Satisfied?
I'm stuffed. Like, I inhaled that food.
The farm is always... Oh, look. Nice. Yeah. Amazing. All right, back home from having a great lunch over there at the farm, and you know what? It looks so nice out. It's time to go for a kayak. You ready for kayak, Katie?
So ready? Call me Kayak Katie.
I was just gonna say.
Dude, we just... Corn Chip Katie and Kayak Katie are really good friends.
Well, there's all different kinds of Katie. We gotta basically get this thing down the little seawall here, and we'll kind of drag it out. We're gonna kind of enter about here, make it kind of an angle, and then out through the reef, because there's kind of a sandy path right here. You can almost see it, and then straight out.
All right, he's putting our seats on. Nice to see. No one knows how it goes.
I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island.
Successful kayak mission. Nice, Katie. We're headed down to Santa Monica Pier because we're gonna do What's Happening Wednesday from there, and we're gonna
What's
have
happening
some fun.
Wednesday and beyond?
Yeah, this is What's Happening Wednesday and beyond for sure. It's the pier that inspired, one of the piers that inspired Pixar Pier, so we feel it's relevant. We feel it's within the Disney realm. I'm gonna challenge Katie to a skee ball
What?
tournament battle royale. I'm gonna crush you.
Oh my
man.
gosh.
Crush you. All right, we're in Santa Monica. We're parked in a giant structure. All right, let's go. Okay, up here at, I think they call it Palisades Park up here in Santa Monica with the beautiful palm trees. There's the pier we're gonna go check out. Santa Monica Pier.
I am excited.
You ready to go down there?
I really am. I mean, and can we mention how perfect the weather is?
The weather's perfect.
It's 70 degrees. The sun is setting over there by your casa.
Tis.
And
Look at
the breeze is fabulous. There's a little bit of sun. I mean, it is nice as you can get.
Just finished What's Happening Wednesday from this right here. We were sitting right here by the wheel. Look at it, it's lighting up. Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Look at the designs. We can see that from my deck. And it's always nice to see the patterns. So we're gonna kind of check out the pier and check out the arcade, a couple things around here. Look, it's the, what do you call it?
Scrambler.
The Scrambler, the Whippersnapper from
The
Greece.
Whippersnapper,
From Greece, the final
yeah.
scene. Yeah. Too bad you can't ride it because you get sick.
All right, let's go check out the pier.
Let's go cruise into the heart of it. Look at the sunset, first of all, you guys.
Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god. And the weather is so nice right now, still.
It's perfect.
This is amazing. But what a great way to end our night, huh?
Seriously. All the taillights in the ceiling. Reminds me of Radiator Springs in here. Look at how cool these displays are with the old gas pumps as displays. Great idea. Some Route 66 stuff, and look at the license plate. United States. That's awesome.
My goodness. Let's hit the spot.
Skee ball. That's right, skee ball. My favorite old game. They've had it here for a long time. Katie, ready to battle? I'm gonna take you down. All right, we're going with the old school because I like these old school ones better than these new ones. Katie, are you ready?
So ready.
All right, here's your in. It's $1 to play.
Thanks.
So put your.
Okay, I'll go here.
All right, you're number 3. I'm number 4.
Okay.
Here we go, Katie. Get the first one. Here we go.
10.
All right.
Your turn.
Gonna go back and tit for tat.
Okay. Okay, 10. You go again.
Let's go for a game shot.
3 at a time. Because you get like a jam going. You're gonna keep going for the big one, aren't you?
That was terrible. Oh,
What is your 100? All right.
not good. She's already beat me. Ah. Oh.
And that's how it's done. Here's my tickets now. Okay.
Oh wow. I didn't even get tickets. Alright guys, well that's it for Life Disney and Beyond this time. Coming to you from the Santa Monica Pier. We hope you enjoyed Katie surfing today. Having lunch at the farm. We had a really good time and we will see you guys next time. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And please hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are on.
That's right.
If you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. We will link all that information right there below.
That's right, you guys, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye.